What's going on, Shib Army? Welcome back to the channel. So Shytoshi answered my question regarding the burns. I'm going to talk about that in this video. I asked him point blank about what's going on, just getting some clarity on Shiba Inu burns, and we've got some insight and some updates in that regard. And I will say this, part of the answer is something that we've talked about on this channel. And let me preface all of this by saying this. Shib burns are not the only thing that matters. In fact, it's in the foreground to adoption and use case and people actually using Shibarium. Burns will come in due time. We've always looked at least on this channel, as burns, we've always looked at burns as a long-term catalyst. Not something that's going to, be a switch that you just flip on overnight and we burn 111 trillion SHIB. By the way, there's been some rumblings about that, right? I heard Lucy and she was talking about where did this number come from, this 111 trillion SHIB burn. Well, it came from Shib Queenie, who used to be the moderator in the Shib Discord. These numbers were flowing all around. There were tons of articles and outlets that picked up on it. Now, there were a lot of hypotheticals there that Shib Queenie had laid out, right? Including a 1%, 1% of every transaction going to burn SHIB, right? And then obviously like burning the Shytoshi NFTs. There were a lot of things that had to play out. And she came to this conclusion by her math that we could burn 111 trillion SHIB per year, right? But there were a lot of hypotheticals there. And we said that when we reported on that a few times over the past several months. But if you've listened to this channel, we've always said that adoption is number one and use cases kind of go right in there in order to achieve adoption, right? So haven't had any coffee yet this morning. I'll bring over the Dunkin' Donuts here. But that's, that's the biggest thing. Now let me show you this. Let me show you what Shytoshi responded to me. I basically asked, can we have some clarity when it comes to burns? I think Lucy posted this already, but yeah, I posted this question to him and it was answered. And basically, he said, let me say this. Burns will not and are not the end-all be-all. We absolutely must increase adoption, but Burn Portal is in the works. So basically what I get out of this is, hey, listen, burns are a piece to this puzzle. They're just not the first piece that we have to put into the ecosystem, right? It'll be, something behind the likes of increasing adoption, which we are, by the way, and use cases, partnerships, getting people to utilize Shibarium, right? Because that's the biggest thing we need. And right now we have over 1 million transactions. We have over 1.1 million wallet addresses. This number continues to move up slowly. I love seeing that, right? Daily transactions now sitting basically at 125K, 125,000. Bone price has come down, but man, this is a good opportunity to get on some bone. I'll tell you that. Look at this price of bone. Way down here at $1.02, actually spiked down below less than $1 there for a minute. But this was the response. Let me know what you guys think about this down below and what else you guys want clarity on. Let me know in the comments. I'll try to get answers. I think that's part of my job here as, somebody who's a reporter. That's what I do. Most people would say, oh, you're just an influencer. No, we're trying to report on the news more than anything. Right? I really don't like the word influencer. I was an educator all my life. That's what I'm trying to do. And do I have all the answers? No. Do I have it all figured out? No. But when I learn something, when I have even opinions on something, I like to share them. And this was something that, I knew people had some questions about, and we did get some answers here. Let me know down below what you guys think about this and if and what else you'd like some more potential clarity on, and I'll do my best. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video.